Next, I want to insert a counter section. Counter is just by way of giving your users or your visitors some numbers as to how many categories of products or as to the number of products you have on your shop. So to do that, I click on Add Section and I choose Single Column. Now I go to Elements and I search for Counter. I choose a simple counter and I drag it in here. Awesome. And then the number should start from 0 and then the ending number, I'll enter 4, and then under title I enter categories, meaning I have 4 categories. So in here, for instance, if I add K, meaning I have 4K categories, meaning 4,000 categories. I don't have that much, so I remove this. Or if I have 4,000 categories, I could just enter 4,000 right here. All right. Now I'll leave it at 4 for now. Then I go to style, the color. I'll use the global color for the text, for the number. Typography, I choose Poppins. Then I go to title. Color for title, I make it black, and typography Poppins as well. And the size, I leave it as it is. Now I duplicate this as I need more counters. Do I need 4? I think so. So in here I make it 408. Products. So I have 408 products for people to choose from, and in here I have 6.1K. I have 4.1K happy clients. Awesome. And then finally I have 2 awards. So this will give my clients some kind of trustworthiness. So I change the background color by clicking on Edit section. So I go to Style, and the classic, I make it a little bit gray, something like that. And then under Advanced, under Padding, I uncheck the values and I increase the margin to 25. Sorry, the padding to 25 for top, and then bottom 25. Then I update. So that's it on how to add counter to our home page.